And we're back. Action. Okay. Hello. We're doing farm chores. Come along. I got one more bucket left. Just one. Why? Why? Stop it! Listen here, buddy. If you fall. Okay. Perfect. Be patient, woman. I'm coming. Sweet cheese.
This one's done. I know. Diva. Diva! You coming? No? Okay. Y'all, when I tell y'all I have been so busy, I haven't even been able to go to the gym this week. Yeah, that's gonna be so heavy.
Are we recording?
We're recording! Hello. Welcome to your normal recording. Oh. Okay, you want your feet first or do you want your hay first? Okay, feet it is. I gotta go keep the cookie hers.